someone is teaching this knowledge, then he is my like he is very much loved by me. Mad bhaktesu abhidashati bhakti mai param kritva mam evashyasi asamshaya. So translation goes, for one who explains this supreme secret to the devotees, pure devotional service is guaranteed, and at the end he will come back to me. So this is the meaning of this thing, that अगर कोई ये जो knowledge है वो किसी को explain करता है अच्छे से, so then he will get pure devotion. So हमारा यही purpose है हम सब की life का, जो अभी हम like we have understood through these sessions, that for us also it is very very important that we develop pure devotion, pure love, and do our duties in this world very nicely, and also, and at the end of this lifetime go back to spiritual world as and also depends upon Krishna's will also, because we are completely dependent upon him. That is the meaning of surrendered, that हम सोचें कि कृष्णा ये भाव रखेंगे, so that becomes the main feeling of being surrendered. And this is the next shloka, same thing, like similar, उसी को कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर कृष्णा. ये चीज इंपॉर्टेंट था, इसलिए कृष्णा ने 2 श्लोकास में ग्लोरीफाई किया है इस चीज को. तो बताते हैं, ना च तस्मान् मनुष्येषु कश्चिन में प्रिय कृतमा भविता, ना च में तस्माद् अन्यो प्रियतरो भुवि. So the translation is very very wonderful. So he is telling that there is no servant in this world more dear to me than he, nor will ever be more one dear. So उनसे ज्यादा कोई प्रिय नहीं है जो इस मैसेज को मेरे टीच करता है दूसरे लोगों को, और कोई और नहीं होगा. तो हम सब कृष्ण के प्रिय बन सकते हैं अगर ये मैसेज को हम दूसरों को प्रीच करेंगे. So this is the whole concept behind doing any of these things, any of these activity, that we try to understand them properly, we try to discuss them, and we try to explain these things to others. And also, as all of you are knowing, that this spiritual knowledge is a very very kind of rare knowledge. So like only intelligent people are able to appreciate. What we need is, we need intelligent people to accept it, understand it, and explain it to others. So अब सब हम लोग जो हैं पढ़े लिखे लोगों के ये काफी responsibility बन जाती है कि हम इस knowledge को अच्छे से सीखें, समझें, और बाकी सब लोगों को भी इसको समझाने में help करें. And this way we will be becoming dearer to Krishna. So आप recording अगर start, yeah, ठीक है, thank you. Okay, sorry for the disturbance. Now we can begin. Divyanshu.
Okay, so welcome everyone. Today we have joined this meeting to discuss a very important and a very relevant topic, that is to discover our inner self, to discover, to find out that one eternal truth which can change our vision and which can, help us to solve many problems. Like despite of many technological and scientific advancement today, and despite of all the education, we are still having many problems. Like we are having these new kind of diseases nowadays. The coronavirus is coming, the black fungus is coming, new diseases are coming every day. There is so much crime all around, there is so much corruption, there are, we are lacking human values. We are, our peace of mind is going nowadays. We are so much depressed. The students are committing suicides. We are having so much poor relationships. We are not able to maintain them. There are so many divorces. So we are surrounded by so many problems, and this is just because we have neglected, or we do not know the one fundamental thing that is there in our life, but that is just we do not know. So this session, the Discover Inner Self, is the session to discover that one hidden thing that we do not know. So let's move forward in our session. So Shivansh, you can move the slide forward. Okay. So the introduction of this session before actually beginning our subject matter is that we are just like a driver. As a driver drives a car, the soul drives a living body. The scientific research proved that. For example, there is a car. The car body is made up of many materials, many elements. Like it can be made up of any metal, aluminum, for example. The tires are made up of rubber or any other element. So it is made up of so much elements, and these all are, we call them matter. So, but a car cannot move unless there is a living driver that can enter it. The body is there after death also. The body is there after death also, but it cannot move. So something is there that misses, that is something extra within our body. So we are going to find out what is this. So I have actually told you that it is the soul. So why we are actually learning this knowledge? Why we are learning this soul? What is this soul? Why we are learning about this? So if we see that before Bhagavad Gita, Arjuna was so much depressed, so much, he says this shloka in Bhagavad Gita that his whole body was trembling, his hairs had standed up, and his bow was slipping from his hands, and his skin was burning. He was he was not able to stand up. His mind was, it was going blank. So before the war, we see that Arjuna was having so much lack of confidence. He was so much anxious. He was demoralized. He didn't wanted to fight the war. He was having confusion. He should fight the war or not, because his own relatives were there on the other side. He was so much confused. He was stressed. He was depressed. His bow, for the whole life he has been practicing archery, but at that time his bow kept on slipping from his hand. But after the war, after the Mahabharata war, Arjuna emerged victorious. So how was that? What was the difference that came before and after? The difference was that Arjuna has got that knowledge of soul from Lord Krishna in the form of Bhagavad Gita, and that knowledge helped him to vanish out all these problems. So today we are also here to discover that inner self, that soul that is inside us, that will help us to solve so many problems. Like it helped Arjuna, it can help us also. So So here are the contents that we are going to discuss in these sessions. So first of all, we are going to discuss that am I a matter or am I a spirit? What is my true identity? I have told you that there you have a body, you can see this body, but you also have a soul inside. So are you actually this body? You are actually the soul. Then we will look at some scientific proofs for that. Yes, that soul exists, and then we will see some more topics in the other sessions. Okay, so let us first start by discussing that am I a matter or am I a spirit? I have told you we are this body, and inside us there is a soul due to which this body is moving, just like the driver is there and due to which the car is moving, or an aeroplane fly because a pilot is causing the aeroplane to fly. Similarly, there is a driver within us which is making this body to move. So actually we are this body or we are that spirit. So if I ask you all that who are you? So most of you are going to answer me as you are going to tell me your name, that okay, I am Shivansh, I am Ayush, like that. So is that your real identity? Is the name your real identity? You can even change your name actually. And also suppose this is let us take him. He is Dr. Harry Monson, and he is he is a professor of anatomy in Illinois College of Medicine, and he says that we are just this body, and he has found out that this body is made up of these elements. We know that our body, it is made up of cells which are made up of all these elements, and if you separate them and take them on a tray, or you want to find out all the elements our body is made up of, so it is made up of 5 pounds of calcium, 1.5 pound of phosphate, potassium, sulfur, sodium, magnesium, okay, iron, copper, iodine, and of course it is made up of water. And he says that we are just this body, and our body ends when we die. This is what we all think. But suppose we have, if we find out the worth of all these elements our body is made up of, it is just rupees 110. But is that like you find out that you are just rupees 110? Does that sound like you? Do you find that you are just all these elements you can see? You are just all these elements kept in a tray? It is not like that. Please ask yourself, is this the essential stuff of your identity? Do you think yourself to be just all these elements? Do you think, okay, let me make it easier for you. Suppose you have your very dear and near friend, and he has, suppose, a Mercedes-Benz car. Okay, it's, let assume its price is 30 to 40 lakh rupees or whatever it may be. It may be even higher than that. But your body, if we find out the worth of all the elements your body is made up of, it's only worth rupees 110. So let us only assume that your friend met an accident. Okay, his car, his Mercedes Benz crashes somewhere. He was driving the car, and the Mercedes Benz has also, is also damaged, and your friend is also injured. So whom you are going to take, you know, you are going to take your friend to the hospital for the treatment, or you are going to take that Mercedes Benz car to the garage for repair. If you feel that you are just this body, okay, and so you will, we can say that it is for rupees, the body is be made for just rupees 110.
I think he's not audible now.
Yes, sir, not audible. I think network issue or something.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, here someone can put the question like this: ki, we also like buy raw material for like paneer ki sabzi. So we buy 40 rupees paneer and then 10 rupees salt, masala, and that's it. But the cost of paneer after making it is like 300 rupees. So similarly, it may be also possible that the chemical of 110 rupees are mixed in such a composition so that the cost of our body is much more worth than it. So like, how does it signify that we are not this body like that?
Yeah. Actually, I also have this kind of question that many times people ask. But what I try to answer in this scenario is through the thing that कि हम जो बात कर रहे हैं वो उस तरह से नहीं कर रहे हैं. So that is why I sometimes now these days I present this thing after 1-2 times getting this direct question is like कि the thing is that if I give you all these ingredients, will you be able to make a human being, or will you be able to make a like living being? That is the question which I try to raise rather than this way, because this I also find sometimes, although it is told in such a sense, but yeah, sometimes people ask this kind of questions and then it goes into some wrong direction. Like जो present होना चाहिए वो कभी कभी वो नहीं हो पाता है, इस वजह से ऐसा मैंने देखा है, कभी कभी ऐसा होता है. सो यहाँ पर जो बताने की कोशिश की गई है वो ये बताया गया है कि कैसे मतलब रॉ मटेरियल्स आप नहीं हो, रॉ मटेरियल मतलब ये नहीं हो आप केमिकल्स, इन केमिकल के बंधन से अलावा कुछ हो, कुछ अलग हो आप, आपकी आइडेंटिटी सिर्फ केमिकल्स नहीं है. दिस इज द पॉइंट व्हिच इज कन्वेड थ्रू दिस स्लाइड, but people like because of the way we it is being put sometimes raise this question. Yeah, so the another way to present that can be like that ki, will you be able to make all the like any living being, any human being, if I give you all the chemicals? And this was the same question actually, it was being asked, like I have heard from one of the times Srila Prabhupada was telling somewhere. So in one university, one like devotee was there who was teacher of chemistry, and he was basically not teacher, student, PhD doing PhD. तो उसी टाइम पे एक साइंटिस्ट थे he has done some research and he was saying that evolution, like he was telling basically about this thing that you are made up of chemicals. So at और वो हर एक बड़े बड़े कॉलेज में जाके ऐसा करके प्रेजेंटेशन दे रहे थे. So that time the devotee asks, sir, if I give you all these chemicals, will you be able to make a human being? ऐसा करके क्वेश्चन पूछा, यही सेम क्वेश्चन जो हम पूछ रहे हैं. So then that scientist told that I cannot say. So this is what Srila Prabhupada tells many times in the lectures, and that he says that I cannot say. He is trying to teach everyone in this world that this is true, this is that. But when you say that I give you all the chemicals, will you be able to make human beings? That he cannot say. Like that, it happens many times. So that is how. That way I liked the point. So from that I think that कि उस तरह से अगर प्रेजेंट करते हैं तो शायद ये वाला क्वेश्चन तो रूल आउट हो जाता है एक तरीके से और गलत डायरेक्शन में भी नहीं जाता है. लेकिन यहाँ पे जो बताना चाहा है वो यही है कि कैसे हम सिर्फ केमिकल नहीं है, हम इन केमिकल के अलावा कुछ हैं.
Hello friends. So today we will be continuing with our session of Discover Our Inner Selves. And in the previous session, we have beautifully seen address the question that am I matter or am I spirit? And we gave different examples and different logics to prove that how we are different from this temporary identity of our body, and there is something permanent identity to us that is none other than our soul. So basically, we will be giving some scientific and logical proofs to determine the existence of the spirit soul to you all. So there are basically four logics which we can give for the existence of our spirit soul. They are common sense, consciousness, near-death experiences, out-of-body experiences, and reincarnation research. So let us see, friends, one by one. We will see all of these. So first, let's start with common sense, as like we always do.
I think control is
yes sir, problem कर रहा है थोड़ा सा.
मतलब वो क्योंकि रिमोट एक्सेस होता है या
Yes,
रिमोट
sir.
एक्सेस होता है तो थोड़ा दिक्कत ही होता है. आई थिंक शिवांश यू ओनली कैन डू, मतलब ज्यादा दिक्कत नहीं होना चाहिए बिकॉज रिमोट एक्सेस में. Yeah.
Yes. So friends, we often see that our near and dear ones, some of them dies. Then how we inform others? We say that he or she passed away. But ever you have wondered who passed away? Because the body, if we consider ourselves to the body, so the body is still there. The corpse or the body which after death, that is still there. But people are continuously mourning and they are telling he or she passed away. So who actually did passed away? So ever you have thought of this question, ki who actually passed away? So actually the soul which we are addressing as ourselves, that passed away. The soul passed away from the body, and this proves that the soul does exist and we are not this body. We are much deeper thing than this body. The second point which I would like to show to all of you is consciousness. So let me know, what do you mean by consciousness? Any one of you can tell me what he or she mean by consciousness, please.
Sir, consciousness means to be aware of ourselves, to be knowing our identity, something like that, sir.
Yes, exactly. Consciousness means to be aware of oneself and also to be aware of each and everything that is going around ourselves. That in short terms, we can say that we can feel we can persist anything, we can identify colors, we can identify taste, we can feel the beauty of anything. That basically, these all things consist of consciousness. So consciousness, what do you think? Consciousness is everything we see around us is conscious? Even friends, the most modern technology, that is the Sophia robot, it is also not conscious. It just works on some set of codes. It cannot perceive or feel anything. So this directly tells us that consciousness cannot be achieved by only by this body. So there must be a higher authority which helps us in gaining this consciousness. Have you ever wondered, friends, how we are able to determine the taste, we determine the beauty? Any machine cannot decide a person to be like he is beautiful or he is not beautiful, the colors, anything like such kind of things. So this is only possible due to our consciousness, and which is the result of the soul which is present inside us. There are two in Shastras also, it is told that we are made up of two things, that is Jad and Chetan. Jad means this body, and Chetan, which is the soul. And from Chetan comes the Chetana. That is, and English, if you will translate the English of Chetana, that comes out to be consciousness. So here also in this analogy, friends, we can see very logically that consciousness is the result of the soul, if we translate the meaning from Hindi to English. So yeah, can we move to the next slide, please? Yes, near-death experiences or out-of-body experiences. It was, friends, actually in America and such countries, uh, a there was a research done on like some 11 to 14% of people, they were mentally sound, they were not having any mental illness, and like every of them, like they went to critical operation or accident or something like that, which due to which they were very close to death, or they were undergoing critical operations, they were like close to death. So friends, many of them actually reported that they were able to see their body from, like their body was lying on the bed and they were able to see it from the top. And astonishingly, the doctor had already declared them dead, or they were losing that patient. And the patient, after recovering, fortunately after recovering, he was telling that when doctor was telling, he was able to hear everything and he was able to see going on in the operation theater, that he was able to listen, that doctor was telling that the person is dying and we are losing him, such words. And he was beautifully the patient was beautifully describing everything, although he was given anesthesia and such kind of things, due to which he was not in his, like he was completely sleeping, but then also he was able to recall each and everything uh, in that operation theater. So who actually did witnessed all those going on things? That was nothing but the soul which was departing from the body. Also they mentioned such kind of incident that they were able to see their relatives and person who were already died, and they were welcoming him. So actually that was the soul who was departing from the body and who was able to see the body from up. And actually the soul was welcomed by the relatives and all. Actually, friend, this is a very vast topic, you can say. And nowadays many research are going on these topics, and a lot of books have been written. You can read also about this. uh, there we have many books mentioned here. Any of the book you can read about near death experiences or out of body experiences. And actually, friends, this is so authenticated. It is not some like kalpana and all. Actually, friends, the Discovery, that is a reputed channel, they published a show called Expedition with Josh Gates, in which they were like, in one of their episodes they were discussing about their the out of body experiences and near death experiences in like detail. So that was a very important uh, thing that establishes that we are not just this body, we are something other than body. And that absolutely, I think you all know the answer what we are from till until these sessions. So can we have the next slide, please, friends? So yeah, friends, now we will see reincarnation research. So what basically does reincarnation means? Reincarnation basically means punarjanam. So in our shastras, obviously, like it is mentioned that according to our will and karma, along like by the combination of both, we get our next life. But the modern science denies this fact, that they assume that we have got this life and we just have to live it. That's it. But friends, now we have one very great scientist, Dr. Ian Stevenson. He is like at that time he was working in University of Virginia, and he was very fascinated about this topic of reincarnation and research, something like that. So he took 3,000 volunteers and 3,000 cases he took, and he continued his study in that. So can we have the next slide, please? So yeah, friends, the study was very astonishing for him. He have reported many of the persons who were able to remember their past life incident or something like that. Like they were able to, the 5-year-old boy, he is able to remember like lifetime of a 70-year-old person and something like that. Even that boy was not present at that time of the whole lifetime of that man, but even by that also, because he was able to like witness each and everything, each and every uh, incident that took place in the life of that man. So who actually, and nobody also told him about that incident and anything, but who was actually witnessing all the incident throughout the those years? That was actually the soul who was witnessing all the incident of the lifetime of the body. And then same soul, he passed on, that passed on to the body of that boy or something like that. So what happened, fortunately or unfortunately, we can say the soul was able to remember the incident of his past life. I think God also want to show us that how reincarnation does exist. So maybe he want to prove us that. So he may have created various cases where we can see this live example of reincarnation. Actually, friends, this phobias which we have, like someone they fear from water bodies, someone they fear from like a knife, someone they fear from guns and something like that. So Dr. Ian Stevenson said that these phobias are also result of the, actually it may be very much possible that they have been killed by, like they have been died by drowning, so they fear the water bodies. They might have died by stabbing, someone stabbed them, so they fear knife. Someone have they could have got a gunshot, so they fear gun or something like that. So these phobias what we are having, this is also actually the this also symbolizes or proves, we can say, this also proves reincarnation. And this is nothing but the result of our past life, and which we are, fortunately or unfortunately, we are able to remember those things and suffer like from phobias and all due to this reincarnation. Can we have the next slide, please? Yeah, friends. Friends, you see that if we consider ourselves to the body, just we what we have body. So have you all heard about twins? By bodily appearances, a homozygotic twin are almost, like we can say that, exactly similar. We can also see in this PPT also, like we have the photo of two homozygotic twins. They are exactly similar. You cannot say by appearance that they are different. But even then, having the same body, they share different characters. We have seen twins have different nature. They have different. So we have seen that friends, the twins also have different nature, different behavior. So if we are the only the body, so how these two same persons have different behavior? So yeah, friends, that is actually because of the soul, the two different souls which are present in the body. Same way, same as like we have two identical models of car, but with two different drivers, the both the cars will run differently. Similarly, with two identical bodies and two different souls, something has to be different, right? If we are body, so that does not signify, that does not prove that how we are, how the behavior and such things of the twins are different. So like something might have that is different. That is nothing but the soul. So this also proves that we are soul actually. Can we have the next slide, please? Yeah, friends, here we have a beautiful story of a boy. Uh, we also have a video, but I think in lack of time, I would not be able to show you all. But I will give the summary of the lecture of the video which is provided to us. The summary tells us that there was a boy who was 5 years old, and he was actually able to recall each and many incident of the World War II, in which he was a pilot and he died in a plane crash, and he was able to recall each and everything of that time. He had not also born at that time, but then also he was able to completely like recall everything of that time, and nobody actually told him. Also, friends, the Navy organized a reunion of the pilots who were of that batch, and this boy, uh, the father of this boy, took him to that reunion to prove that he was like having misconception. There is nothing like reincarnation and all. And friends, the person who he have never met, he was calling them by names, and he was telling about the incident that they collectively did when this boy was like pilot with them in his past life. So friends, there are many incidents, a number of incidents, not the one or two incident. There are a number of incidents like these also, which signifies actually the reincarnation. Can we have the next slide, please? There is also a story of an Indian girl, but I would she was also like she also signifies reincarnation thing. Like she was able to remember her past life and everything. We see that, but like as I have told, we have lack of time, so I would not be representing. I would not be telling the full story. So can we move to the next slide, please? Yeah, next. Yeah, but stop, please. Hello, Shivansh, one frame forward. Like there are photo of scientist, I think. Yeah. Even friends, scientists also, like many great scientists such as Benjamin Franklin and John Adams, they also believe about that there is something higher. We are not just body. There is something deeper connection inside our selves, and God, about God also, like many scientists did believe, like Newton and Einstein, they also like believed on God and soul, such things, because they know actually. these great mind people know actually if we are body, then what is that these things we have seen in our PPTs, like what is the cause of reincarnation, how twins are different. So they were able to recognize or think these things, and they were able to believe that we are not the bodies, we are something higher than that. So here quotes of those scientists are also mentioned here. I would like to read one of them. That is Benjamin Franklin. Finding myself to exist in this world, I shall believe, and I shall in some shape or the other always exist. He's telling that he's actually stating that eterness of the soul. He's telling that I shall or I will always exist in some form or the other. That is also mentioned in our shastras, that soul never dies. So can we have the next slide, please? I think it is almost done. Yeah. So that was all from my side. Hope you all understood that we are not just this body, and there are some more like deeper. We are not just this body, and we are some more deeper than that, and that is definitely the soul. So one can ask the question that let me believe that I am not this body. So what is the guarantee that like I am soul? So if you are not the body, something you are, right? So what is the problem in calling that something as soul? Like any name you have to give, you can name it as soul. It is just a name, like you can say that. And further, friends, we will see, we will much more, we will go deeper in this DYS session. So we will see that also very deeply, that how soul, and we will be taking a reference of various texts and scriptures that will definitely prove that this is soul and we are this soul, not this body. So hope you enjoyed this, and please think over it deeply, and that's all from my side. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much, Ayush, for very nice presentation. So I would like to share, I don't know whether that will work or not. I've written some points. I could not write much, but yeah, what I was felt that confidence was very nice. That is one positive thing. And you involved audience also initially, so that was also very one good thing. And you gave certain examples from Discovery which people feel very authentic, and also about Sophia. So overall explanation wise and presentation wise was very nice from my side. Like I could not, because I have so much interaction with you, like in one sense, because it was very nice presentation and improvement in one sense. I cannot could not think of much thing, but only one thing was because टाइम भी होता है लाइक लिमिटेशन, तो इसीलिए वो प्रैक्टिस से शायद बस हो जाता है कि बट यू आर प्रेजेंटिंग, बिकॉज बीच में से हमारा थोड़ा अभी ये इंटरनेट की वजह से भी चीजें कभी कभी इधर उधर हो जाती हैं, बट आई थिंक ओवरऑल it was complete very nice presentation, but time is only something which we can try to take care. And also हम वीडियोस दिखाने का हमेशा कोशिश करते हैं, लाइक यू मस्ट हैव सीन, बिकॉज दिस वीडियो स्पेशली एक्चुअली ये वाला जो था अभी हमने देखा, तो वो बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट वीडियो रहता है, क्योंकि इस वाले से फेद आता है लोगों को, तो टाइम हमें इसके लिए बचा के रखने का कोशिश करना पड़ता है। तो ये एक चीज थी। एंड नाउ आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट कि बाकी लोग कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहेंगे, सम क्वेश्चंस किसी के मन में है, शिवांश, अभिषेक, साहिल, otherwise I will, yeah, Sahil, you can ask.
Yes, I'll please go on.
Yes, sir. In this chapter where we see that the soul is something that in a hospital a person is have going operation, and he out from the body and saying that how did that is operation is going on. So how can say that this is the person is come from the body? It is also like a dream that before the operation we have a fear, and in the mind we have make many assumptions like that how the operation is going, and it is also like a dream.
Yeah, Sahil, see, in dream we can actually like we can figure out like they might doctors might be having present there, and they might having surgery. वो लोग सर्जरी कर रहे होंगे, और तुम बस ड्रीम में यही अज्यूम कर सकते हो कि वो लोग सर्जरी कर रहे होंगे एंड समथिंग लाइक दैट. बट the person, he was able to exactly remember like what they were talking. So exactly वो जो लोग बात कर रहे हैं वो तुम नहीं ड्रीम में कभी like assume कर सकते हो. But like each and every line he was able to remember, like doctor was saying we are losing this patient, and this patient like XYZ his name, call his relative, such things, and he was able to like remember everything in such an order. So in dream you cannot like uh, I think this answers your question pretty well. Yeah,
Okay.
thank you.
ठीक है. Thanks.
Yeah. Any other question from anyone? बहुत ही अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछा साहिल ने, और I really appreciate कि आयुष ने उसमें से अच्छा निकाल के दिया point from that video, that how that if person was dreaming, how could he able to remember all the things which they were discussing. So this was one point. And another thing is like we can take reference ki like this is something which has been studied deeply, and there are so many publications being done on it. So this is not a matter of dream. This has been studied and is undergoing studies in various institutions. So there is some basis behind it. So that is one more thing which, but Ayush ne jo bataya, that is on practical level very nice answer. So किसी का और का कोई question? Anyone would like to ask any other question? Otherwise दिव्यांशु के साथ हमें शुरू करना था. एनी क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम अभिषेक? शिवांश आप कुछ सोच पा रहे हैं, या फिर साहिल ही कुछ और क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहते हो? अदरवाइज मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ. लाइक यू आर मेंशनिंग दैट like about this soul and all, so can you say do ghost exist, like this thing which we hear ghost, what are they? Can you tell, sir?
Yeah, actually at this point of time, like there may be ghosts present or not. I don't think like I'm the right person to say this thing, but the currently what we are discussing in this topic is our real identity, like what we are. That is a different question. It may require various research or knowledge that ghosts exist or what are they. But like in this current topic, we are discussing about the much more higher question, that are this body or the soul? So I think like this, I'm not the right person to answer the about ghost, but something.
Okay, okay, sir.
Sir, I have another question.
Yes, yes.
In the dham, like where many ladies just shaking their head, मतलब कि सर हिला रहे होते हैं, और उनके ऊपर मतलब कि लोग बोल रहे थे कि भूत चढ़ गया है. तो ये क्या होता है, मतलब कि उनके अंदर कोई दूसरा सोल आ जाता है, या फिर मतलब कि उनकी कोई अलग तरह का एक्टिविटी है?
ये क्वेश्चन आप मेरे से पूछ रहे हैं या आयुष से पूछ रहे हैं?
सर कोई बोल सकते हैं.
Okay. Sir, I think I may answer something.
Okay, बताइए आप.
Sir, what I assume is a car is the body and the driver is the soul. So as like we have only one driver seat, so two drivers cannot simultaneously sit on a single seat. So I personally think that two souls cannot enter a single body. It may be possible that the person might have been influenced by something, or uh, some mental condition might be there. So definitely that fact cannot be denied. But what I personally believe is that two drivers cannot sit on a single seat of the car. That is the thing.
Okay. Yeah, this is something which is out of our scope also, but actually speaking in one sense, just to मतलब ज्यादा वैसा कुछ हमारे लिए एज अ डिवोशनल सेंस हम देखें तो कुछ ज्यादा रेलिवेंट नहीं है, दैट इज व्हाई वी डोंट मच डिस्कस अबाउट इट. बट स्पीकिंग अबाउट स्क्रिप्चर्स एंड फैक्चुअली अगर हम देखें तो एक्चुअली हमारी बॉडी में भी बहुत सारे सोल्स एग्जिस्ट करते हैं इन वन सेंस, बिकॉज सो मेनी अदर living entities are also there, मतलब so many bacteria and other things are there, but main driver is one, and that is the main soul which we are, जो हम हैं, which are driving this whole machine, this body. And that is one thing. And sometimes like to say that ghosts are basically something, those entities which don't have gross body, मतलब ये हमारे लिए relevant नहीं है इतना ज्यादा, but ghost is something which have only soul and a subtle body, mind, intelligence, ego, and soul is there. They have not been given gross body because of some situations, especially those people who commit suicide. They are being awarded such punishment by Lord, or like you can say Yamraj, that उनको एक शरीर नहीं दिया जाता है because they have misused the body. So in one sense that is how it happens technically. But that is
एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
yes, बोलिए.
सर तो फिर लाइक आपने जैसे क्वेश्चन पूछा कि घोस्ट सर एग्जिस्ट करते हैं कि नहीं, लाइक तो सर मुझे क्या बोलना है सर कि घोस्ट एग्जिस्ट करते हैं लाइक दैट, मतलब
या एट दिस पॉइंट मतलब कि ये होता है कि फोर्थ सेशन में तो शायद हम इसके बारे में, जैसा आपने सही तरीके से उत्तर दिया, यू आंसर्ड करेक्टली, दैट एक्चुअल में तो वो हमारे रेलेवेंट पॉइंट है नहीं, लेकिन ऐसे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन लोग पूछते हैं फोर्थ सेशन में. तो रीइंकार्नेशन के बारे में जैसे ही बताते हैं, इस तरह की चीजों के बारे में, तो बहुत सारे लोग ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछ लेते हैं, तो इसलिए मैंने पूछा है. सो एक्चुअली इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द ऑडियंस की ऑडियंस क्या है कि हम कैसा आंसर देंगे. बट या इन रियल सेंस घोस्ट डू एग्जिस्ट इन दैट वे कि जो कोई भी सुसाइड कमिट करता है, स्क्रिप्चर्स मतलब प्रभुपाद ऐसा बुक्स में लिखते हैं, मतलब मैंने वहीं से पढ़ा है और आप भी पढ़ लेंगे, जैसे ही आप कुछ और बुक्स में कहीं पे ऐसा मिल ही जाएगा. एक बुक है शायद कमिंग बैक, उसमें शायद ऐसा होगा, या फिर बाकी बुक्स में भी, कि जो सुसाइड वगैरह कमिट करते हैं क्योंकि उन्होंने बॉडी को अच्छे से यूज नहीं किया, तो उनको फिर ग्रोस बॉडी नहीं देते कुछ समय तक, मतलब ऐसा कुछ होता है. सोचते यार
सर जो होता है कि आत्मा भटकती है सर, वो यही सब होता है क्या?
हाँ, मतलब यही एक तरीके से है, लेकिन हम सबको जो हरे कृष्णा महामंत्र चैंट करता है उसके पास कुछ भटकता नहीं है, उसके पास से सब मतलब क्या होता है कि वो घोस्ट जो है वो डिलीवर हो जाते हैं, मतलब ऐसा होता है, डिलीवर इन द सेंस क्योंकि वो भी हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र सुन लेते हैं, तो उनकी भी भगवान उनको भी ग्रोस बॉडी दे देंगे, मतलब फिर उनको भी ऐसा हो सकता है. अगर आपके आसपास कोई घूम रहे हो, पता नहीं आपने कितने लोगों को ग्रोस बॉडी दिला दिया, आप ही जानते हैं आपकी चैंटिंग से, बट ये सब चीजें बस ऐसा ही है. ठीक है.
ओके सर.
ओके आई
यस सर.
हाँ
सर जैसे
बोलिए.
वहाँ पे मतलब कि कोई लोग जाते हैं, मतलब उनको मतलब बहुत पहले से परेशानी रहता है, फिर वहाँ पे जाते हैं तो कुछ झाड़ू लेके उस तक करते हैं, फिर ठीक हो जाता है, मतलब वो सब क्या रहता है?
पता नहीं वो सब तो चीजें, लेकिन मतलब कुछ तो है उससे रिलेटेड कि कोई मतलब घोस्ट इस तरह से है, और उसको देर आर सम मंत्रास के थ्रू, मतलब यू नो ना, जैसे हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र पावरफुल है, दैट इज सम that is other part of the scriptures which is called like black magic and all these things which we don't, मतलब devotion से उसका कोई connection नहीं है, so that is something there. So that is kind of, हम हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र चैंट करेंगे और बाकी इन सब चीजों से हमें कोई ज्यादा फर्क ही नहीं पड़ेगा इन वन सेंस, बट इन रियलिटी या इट इज बीइंग टोल्ड अगर सुसाइड कमिट करते हैं तो यू कैन हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ पनिशमेंट, और बाकी सब चीजें से तो आई डोंट थिंक वी विल फेस these kind of things in real life, so we can